Bob Wang. Blockchain Plus is the implementation and expansion of the Internet Plus strategy with rich connotations. In terms of social production and collaboration, the blockchain technology can change and upgrade the production sector, such as digital finance, IoT, Internet of Things, smart manufacturing, supply chain management, and digital asset. Through trust and collaboration, the industry development can be achieved, accelerated. Market advantages can be brought into play, and further innovation application, value, and synergy can be achieved on the blockchain-based trust and transparency system to achieve one link. In addition, it can enhance collaboration among enterprises, industries, and regions, forming a chemical reactions to reduce the risk found in the credit, capital, quality, resources, etc. It also improved the collaboration and established new production relationships. The concept of blockchain has caused a whirlwind. Nowadays, investors and media have set their sights on the entertainment industry. When we are still discussing about the distributed applications of blockchain, little did we know that in the blockchain projects, among the top 10 DApps that are currently active, the gaming accounts for the majority. According to DApps Radar's statistics, the number of DApps on the blockchain has reached 79. But among them, gaming DApps accounted for as many as 30, followed by games and exchanges, which accounted for 16 and 10 respectively. With the current global economic downturn, users have more time to participate in the gambling. As a DApp developer, the security of the gaming DApp developed through NGK blockchain technology in the future is fully guaranteed. The NGK blockchain technology provides more transparency and fairness for the gaming industry due to its decentralized, fair, and fortune features. In addition, the powerful performance of the NGK blockchain and its comprehensive security data protection are also one of the reasons why many gambling DApps prefer the NGK blockchain technology. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Bob. Very important insights on the entertainment and gaming industry. We're now going to hear from Anne Liu. Hi there, Anne.
Thank you, Daphne. Hello, I'm Anne Liu, blockchain expert of AF. Daphne Petal mentioned about the Baccarat project in her speech. And I think the current trending topic of the blockchain market is none other than DeFi. However, most of the DeFi projects in the market are not friendly enough to the small and medium-sized retail investors. They have relatively high handling fees and small storage capacity. Furthermore, they could not support large-scale projects and easily cause network stalls. These technical drawbacks derived from Ethereum have strictly blocked the small and medium retail investor from entering the DeFi market. I've studied DeFi for some time, and I believe the emergence of Baccarat projects has solved the problem of Ethereum, including the high handling fees, small storage capacity, and failed to support large-scale transactions. At the beginning of its creation, Baccarat was positioned to integrate finance with the physical industry, connect the upstream and downstream of the physical industry, integrate logistics, information and capital flow, and provide reliable data, efficient transactions, convenient storage, high throughput, and other services. At the same time, in order to reduce the security risk, the Baccarat liquidity mining is based on the DeFi protocol and the NGK blockchain platform. It has the characteristic of decentralizations. It is not easy to be attacked or tampered with. Hence, it is safer and more reliable. Thank you.
Great, Anne. Thank you very much for outlining how the Baccarat project has solved the problems of Ethereum. I couldn't agree with you more. And last but not least, I'd like to introduce our final guest, Jason.
Hi everyone, I'm Jason, an expert of ADD Asia Pacific Blockchain Research Center. I agree with the advantages of the Baccarat project. Other than its own projects, the NGK technology is also applied in many other fields. such as data storage, which has a great influence on the entire world economy. Many companies act as the ecological users of NGK blockchain. The NGK blockchain technology used by data companies can reshape the trust mechanism of enterprises. The distributed data storage of NGK allows all participants in supply chain finance to jointly record the transaction information without being tampered with. And these data can be used as an effective basis for the credit rating of financial institutions, which solve the difficulty and expensive financing for SMEs. At the same time, the data company also uses the NGK blockchain to build an open and transparent collaborative network to facilitate with the flow of information across all channels, so that the efficiency of information flow, capital flow, and logistics in the industrial chain can be significantly improved. Besides, due to the openness and transparency of the ledger, the relationship between enterprises has been transformed into a cooperative relationship, forming a circular chain around consumers and making the supply chain management and collaboration is easier than ever. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Jason. Excellent points. Thank you all very much for sharing your very insightful and informative views. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you with us today. In fact, we've been studying Blockchain Plus, and we firmly believe we can make a major breakthrough in 2021. So please stay tuned as we will continue to promote NGK to the rest of the world. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Daphne and our guests for their enthusiastic discussions. Next, we will discuss the topic of how future blockchain changes consumer behaviors. In this roundtable session, we have invited the Technology Director of the NGK Spirit Stone team, Clifton Gilley, as the moderator. Please welcome Clifton and his guests.
Hi everyone, thank you all for participating in our roundtable discussion. I am Stephen. Now, we are very honored to invite several outstanding blockchain experts to share their insights on the future prospects of the blockchain industry with us today. And I'm very happy to introduce every one of you right now. We have Mr. Chia Hock Lai, President of Singapore FinTech Association. Ryuji Lee, Director of Singapore Blockchain Organization. Stephanie, Italian blockchain expert. Tim, Singapore Starbass Blockchain Research Company. Zeke, Asia Pacific Blockchain Institute. Arata, Russian blockchain expert. And Pierre, French blockchain expert. I'm very excited to meet you all here today and very happy to hear from every single one of you from around the world. First of all, I would like to hear from Chia Hock Lai.
Hello everyone, my name is Chia Hock Lai. I'm the President of the Singapore FinTech Association. I'm glad to be joining this roundtable. Regarding the future of the blockchain industry, I think the future of the blockchain lies in the DeFi. Although DeFi is only a small part of the blockchain industry, we can see from the previous data that the market lockup value of DeFi occupies a very important position in the entire blockchain capital market. At the same time, the innovation of DeFi technology also promotes the blockchain technology, and the two complement each other. Thus, I believe the DeFi is indispensable and extremely important part for the development of blockchain. In the DeFi field, I'm particularly more optimistic about the Baccarat project because the Baccarat is different from the most DeFi projects on the market. As Ms. Stephanie Patel just mentioned, the Baccarat is built based on the bottom technology of the NGK blockchain. It has unique technical advantages and value and attracted many ecological builders in the market. Therefore, I believe with its unique technical advantages, the Baccarat can be applied to more ecological industries, and at the same time, as the scope of the implementation continues to expand, it will promote the development of the entire DeFi market. Thank you.
Wow, great start to the session. Thanks so much there for the insight from the FinTech Association. Very exciting news. Absolutely, thank you. And now let's hear from Ryuji Lee.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryuji Lee and I'm the Director of the Singapore Blockchain Organization. I very much agree with Mr. Chia Hock Lai's point of view. I think the next frontier of blockchain is the DeFi, and the next frontier of DeFi is the backward. Of course, on top of this, I think the NGK blockchain will also have a great future development. As far as I know, the NGK blockchain has been continuously carrying out technological innovation and market expansion. I think that in the next 2 years, the NGK blockchain will enter more ecological fields and even achieve a full coverage of the existing industry. And in the next 5 years, the NGK blockchain will definitely cover more countries. Whether it is a developed or a developing country, there will be NGK blockchain, especially in the developing countries, because the NGK blockchain can create positive impacts for the residents, such as improving their healthcare, promoting employment, and also increasing the income. While for the developed countries, the NGK blockchain will mainly penetrate into the financial sector to empower and change the existing model of the traditional finance and promote the digital economy. Through the full coverage of the NGK blockchain, I believe many people around the world will see the life and economic changes brought by the NGK blockchain technology. And they will also have a deeper understanding of the blockchain technology. As the NGK blockchain market continues to expand, it will also promote the market development of the entire blockchain industry. Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing your information there. And yes, it's so exciting how many areas of the industry we can go into. And yes, every single day, NGK is driving forward with the technological advancements. Thank you so much once again. And now let's go to Italy with Stephanie.
Hello friends, my name is Stephanie, and I am mainly responsible for the research of the blockchain in Italy. In fact, I've always been very optimistic about the blockchain industry, both now and in the future. As Ms. Rugili said, the blockchain has now been applied in many sectors and countries around the world, not only increasing the economic income of countries and residents, but also bringing great convenience to everyone's lives. There are many high-quality blockchain projects on the market, and the emergence of these projects is an improvement for the current blockchain industry. For example, the NGK blockchain mentioned by the previous guest. I think the current development of the NGK blockchain has brought us many surprises. It not only solves the shortcoming of the traditional blockchain, but also creates a variety of ecosystems, bringing good experience to many users and great value to many ecological builders. It can be said that the NGK blockchain has begun to penetrate into our lives and economy. In the future, its influence will continue to expand. I believe it will improve our lives and bring great convenience to us all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and what an uplifting, lots of information there, because you're right, convenience is key, and especially when we're looking to develop this technology and advance it throughout the world. Thank you so much, Stephanie. That's great to hear from you. And Tim.
Hi everybody. My name is Tim. I'm a researcher at Starbucks Blockchain Research Company in Singapore. I'm also very optimistic about the future development of the blockchain. At the same time, I think the NGK blockchain will play a role in boosting the blockchain industry. This is because, as far as I know, it will connect more industry and sector into the future to establish decentralized